The Strongbox line of battery boxes is designed to protect your battery from various environmental conditions like dust, moisture, harsh UV rays, chemicals, salt, insects, and extreme temperatures. This video will demonstrate the various ways to install the Strongbox line of battery boxes for the following group sizes: U1, 24, 27, 24 to 31 adjustable, and 6-volt deep. Let's first look at using a buckle-style strap and FOOTMAN loops. To install battery box in this manner, you will need a battery box, 2 FOOTMAN loops, 4 screws, a heavy-duty buckle-style strap, an electric screwdriver, a Phillips bit, and a pilot bit. First, decide on the best location for the battery box. Weight distribution and obstructions under the mounting area are things to consider before deciding on location. Once you've decided on the proper location, place the battery box in position without the battery in the box. Place the FOOTMAN loops along the front and back sides of the battery box, putting them as close to the base as possible, around 1/4 inch. Carefully remove the battery box and mark the holes of the FOOTMAN loops with a pencil. Drill pilot holes over the marked areas. Next, secure the FOOTMAN loops with the screws provided. When the FOOTMAN loops are secured into place, slip strap through the loops. Be sure the strap is in the proper position with the buckle facing up. Now set the battery box into place, fasten the buckle, and tighten. Another way to install a battery box is with lag screws. You will need 2 1/4-inch lag screws, a wrench, a drill, 1/8 inch or 1/16 inch drill bit, and a hammer. As in previous installation methods, you will need to decide on the best location for the battery box. Once you've decided on the proper location, remove the cover and locate the battery box in position. Insert the lag screws through the hold-down holes on opposite handles, kitty-corner from each other. Mark their position by tapping lag screws with a hammer. Drill pilot holes prior to installing the lag screws. This will improve accuracy, make installation easier, especially in hardwoods and fiberglass, and prevent the wood or fiberglass from splitting. Next, reposition the battery box and tighten lag screws into wood. Attach battery box cover. The hold-down holes, located on the carrying handles, were designed to accommodate various installation methods, including the use of J-hooks, L-hooks, and threaded rods, making the Strongbox line the most versatile on the market. For more videos on battery boxes, visit quickhowto.com.